Hi everybody, just want to showcase our latest product from Hezire, and that is the H-Book PRO. This is a 10.1-inch 4G tablet computer with Bluetooth keyboard, folio cover, and stand. I've just got the box in front of me here. It's a really good sized box. You can see the size of it with my hands here. And it also includes a bonus zipper pouch, as well as all of the accessories that come with this. So fully comprehensive. This is a tablet PC and a laptop solution all in one. On the back side, you've got the specifications in English and in Arabic. I'll just go through those really quickly. So as I said, 10.1-inch display, and that is on Android 13.0, which is one of the latest Android operating systems. Very stable, and that's powered by a T606 Octa-Core processor. So that's 8 cores powering this, hence you get super fast processing, able to run any program. In terms of the RAM, you've got 6 gigabytes of built-in RAM, which is a really significant amount, but you've also got 6 gigabytes of virtual RAM, so it's expandable up to 12 gigabytes. In terms of the internal memory for storage, you've got 128 gigabytes of internal memory built in. But you've also got an MMC or a micro SD slot, which supports up to 1 terabyte. So we don't include the memory card, but you can put up to 1 terabyte memory card for storing all your documents, photos, videos, etc. In terms of the display, so this is really important. This actually comes with an IPS 800 by 1280 Incell technology display. Why this is really, really good is because Incell technology brings the touch sensor closer to the display. So this allows the user to enjoy a more vivid and realistic display. In terms of the camera, you have a 5 megapixel front camera, great for selfies and video calls. And you've got a 13 megapixel rear camera, which is great for obviously videos, photos. Speakers, you have stereo speakers, and they're HD stereo speakers. So fantastic for Netflix if you're watching Netflix and you just want to use the built-in speakers. These are loud enough and they'll give you a nice stereo effect. Also great for video conference calls as well. In terms of network connectivity, so it supports an LTE 4G SIM card. In fact, it's dual SIM. You can have 2 SIMs in the slots there. But you've also got 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. So Wi-Fi and 4G SIM card. So if you want to use this remotely where there isn't any internet like Wi-Fi signal, you can use a data plan on a SIM card and you can get internet. So it's really, really versatile. And this is all powered by a 6,000 milliamp lithium ion battery. Okay, so let's just get the box open and show you what's inside. Okay, so straight away you've got a spare screen protector. As I said, there's already one on the actual tablet screen, so it's really good that Hezire's included a spare screen protector. You can see that everything, the tablets, as well as the case and the keyboard, are already packed inside the neoprene pouch. But it just shows you can travel with this. It will protect your tablet at all times, as well as the keyboard. It's got some kind of memory foam as well, so it's very, very protective and definitely will keep your tablets in pristine condition. Just put that to the side. So the tablet's already inside the folio cover. So it's like a book style folio cover. You can see it's got the spine there. I'll just show you close up so you can see the textured finish. It looks very premium. It's in like a dark slate gray. You got the debossed Hezire logo. And then on the other side, another back cover, but there's a hinge here. And this is obviously for the stand, which is like a rigid stand. So you can get multiple viewing angles as well. On the inside, I'll just show you the tablet first. So as I said, already got a built-in screen protector, which is great. The tablet is held in place by a TPU bumper, which is obviously attached to the inside of the folio. And you can see the corner of the bumper is raised. It's got extra cushioning for if you obviously accidentally drop this, you've got some cushioning here as well. It's got a holder for the stylus as well. And then I'll just show you the keyboard side. So on the keyboard, you've got a full QWERTY keyboard. You've got some nice, decent weighted keys, so there's some travel. So you actually feel like you're typing on something. And you've also got even a built-in trackpad as well. So you've got an integrated mouse pad, which is great. You don't often get that in a lot of Bluetooth keyboards. And this just connects to the tablet via Bluetooth. Really, really easy to connect up and get going. And that's how everything looks here. I'll just show you the camera on the other side. So on the other side, you've got This is the 13 megapixel HD camera, which is great for video and photos. And then, of course, the built-in camera is built into the screen there. You got the user manual in English, goes through everything, how to set up, charge your device, connecting it to the Wi-Fi, everything, operating system, Bluetooth keyboard, of course, and then you've got everything in Arabic as well, which is great. And then last but not least, you've got the included accessories, which are, so you've got a USB to Type-C charging cable. I'll just show you the Type-C tip here. So that's included. You've got the AC adapter, which folds flat, and it's a UK 3-pin. It's got a USB slot. And then you've got a SIM tool. So that's for installing the 4G SIM card, opening the SIM compartment. Okay, so this is the H-Book Pro in action. So I've already done the obligatory setup. So when you turn it on, it obviously takes you through connecting to your Wi-Fi and then the usual Google account. So if you have a Google account, that's great, because obviously then you can download apps using the Google Play Store. So I've done all of that, but what I just want to show you, like the screen, you can see the screen resolution is really, really nice, very vibrant, thanks to the IPS Incell technology. I haven't connected the Bluetooth keyboard yet. I'm going to show you how to do that. But I'll just show you, like, you've got obviously your home screen with some Google apps here. You've got obviously Google Meeting, Assistant, Photos, Calendar, Play Store, all the shortcuts here, calls, messages, etc., YouTube. If you swipe up, then you can see all of the other pre-installed devices. So you've got everything, all the useful stuff, calendar, calculator, Google Drive. You've got Excel actually built in as well, Outlook as well, which is really a great bonus. Gmail, if you're using Gmail, PowerPoint is on there, and then YouTube, sound recorder, Microsoft Word. So actually some really good value. You've got some really useful programs already pre-installed, which is really, really great. If you want to go back, you just press the triangle. Obviously, this is the home screen, and this obviously clears any apps like so. Okay, I'll just show you how to connect up the Bluetooth keyboard. So you just go into Bluetooth, you select Pair New Device. You turn there's a switch on the side here. Just turn that, flick that downwards. You can see all the lights come on. Wait till the lights go off. Then you press Function, that's the corner key here, Function and C. Select Bluetooth keyboard. Pair. Now it's connected. Okay, so now the Bluetooth keyboard's connected, let's just find a program. So I'm just going to use the trackpad here, let's just find Microsoft Word. We'll select that. Okay, now that I've got Microsoft Word open and the Bluetooth keyboard connected, let's just type something in. There we go, just put Hezire is the coolest brand. Let's have a look at that. So yeah, this works just as good as a normal keyboard. Really, really great. I love the fact that you've got the trackpad in here. Works as well as any mouse pad I've used before. And then you've got the full keyboard, QWERTY keyboard. Really, really great tablet. And I love the fact that, you've got this really sturdy built-in stand. You can get lots of different angles. I mean, we can go super low like this, or we can make it more upright. Okay, I just want to show you the included stylus. So the stylus is really cool, very ergonomic. You've got two nibs. One is a kind of soft rubber tip here, and then the other one, you just remove this cap, and then this is more precise for like finer kind of detail. So you can use both of them. I'm just going to show you with the rubber nib right now. So I've gone into the Notes app, so just go onto the Keep Notes. We just add a new note here, and then you see the icon here, which looks like a paintbrush. You can just press that, and now you can just start drawing. So I'm just going to write something really simple. I'll just put hello. And stylus works really, really well. Even with my bad handwriting, it doesn't look too bad. So all in all, it's a fantastic tablet, great value. You get so much included. It's pretty much the full solution. So you've got a tablet, which you can remove from this case. I haven't even removed it in this video. You've got a laptop. experience as well, because you've got a pretty decent processor and decent RAM, all the built-in apps, as I showed you before, tons of apps, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, so you can use. This is great for e-learning. This is great for remote working, if you want to travel light or even traveling. And this is also great for entertainment as well. I mean, I can't really demo the speakers over the video, but you just have to trust my judgment. The sound quality is really, really good. There are stereo speakers, the speakers either side. So you're going to hear everything like almost cinematic. It's a really good, for a tablet, it's got a great sound quality. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it interesting and informative. As you can see, really, really great solution. Superb value for money. The fact that we're including the tablet, the Bluetooth keyboard case, the folio, the stand, and the stylus, everything in the box for 699 dirhams in the UAE, which is just incredible value for money. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel as well, Hezire, and also our website, www.hezire.com, which I've got here. You can see we've already got the new arrival here. It launches today, the H-Book Pro. Thank you for watching.